I imagine a world where every financial decision leads to prosperity. But what if I told you that some people may only succeed in your journey with your knowledge? Welcome to Moneycraft Master's eye-opening episode, where we'll reveal a secret that could revolutionize your financial life. Today's episode explores financial trust and dishonesty in new ways. You've mastered budgeting and investing, but have you considered how people affect your finances? People who consciously or unknowingly could be your most significant financial freedom hurdles. We won't mention names, but we'll discuss the types of personalities you may encounter and how to protect your assets and judgments. Follow Moneycraft Masters as they expose the 7 people you should never trust with your money. As we peel back financial trust, we must remember that not all hazards are evident. Some are barely noticeable but have a significant influence. Let's explore the first type of individual you may encounter on this adventure. Forewarned is forearmed in finance and knowledge is power. Look, the gossiper, who survives on half-truths and hearsay, starts our story. Imagine speaking passionately about a new investment opportunity at a financial conference. The gossiper appears involved and supportive in the crowd. After you separate ways, they relate your investment plan differently. This person enjoys utilizing words to create a story. Here, danger is real. A gossiper can damage your reputation in finance, where trust is everything. Their seemingly innocent words might cause a reputational disaster, damaging your industry's credibility and relationship. Why do they? Envy, attention, or the pleasure of turmoil are often the causes. Understanding this archetype is critical. Besides avoiding them, you might learn to communicate to lessen their influence. This means sharing sensitive information with select people and using clear, unmisinterpreted language. The gossiper reminds us to watch our words and choose our friends in a world where information is power. The perpetual victim, a character plagued by misfortune, follows. This person always blames others for their money problems. Market, economy, and upbringing are to blame for their failings, except themselves. Dealing with a victim can be exhausting. Their constant negativity and inability to accept responsibility for their financial problems create a toxic environment. The continual victim's perspective can trap people trying to improve their finances in a cycle of pessimism and defeatism. The perpetual victims struggle to reflect and learn from their experiences. They cannot progress or improve because they are mired in blame and self-pity. Managing such people requires a balance of empathy and boundaries. Helping is natural, but becoming overly involved can squander time and resources and frustrate you. Recognizing and avoiding the eternal victim lets you focus on healthy relationships and financial practice. The manipulator is a financial deceiver. They seem like the perfect ally, supportive, understanding, and goal-oriented. They always support you and applaud your choices. Hidden beneath this companionship is a hidden objective. The manipulator wants to influence your decisions, frequently at your expense. They can discern people's desires and fears and discreetly influence and manipulate them. They threaten not only financial losses, but also trust and confidence. Untangling the manipulator's web needs vigilance and critical thought. Flattery, deceptive promises, and emotional pleas are common ways they influence you. Pay attention to contradictions in their statements and acts and question their advising reasons to identify them. Trust your intuition when something feels strange and get second opinions to confirm your choices. Although financial decisions can have huge effects, the manipulator emphasizes the necessity of caution, remaining informed, and relying on trusted experts. After navigating gossipers, eternal victims, and manipulators, it's time to move on. These intriguing personalities may also harm your finances. Let's explore these people's minds and learn how to avoid their deception. Prepare for more folks you should avoid on your financial mastery journey. This part introduces the jealous individual. They watch your accomplishments with envy. Their jealousy typically seems like subtle insults or tepid flattery denigrating your accomplishments. Imagine unveiling a financially successful investment, or the jealous individual may downplay your success or blame luck or other circumstances while others celebrate. Their fears and financial unhappiness prevent them from celebrating your successes. Associating with jealous people might bring negativity into your life. Resentment may cause someone to sabotage your efforts directly or by fostering mistrust. Their comments and attitude can make you doubt and worry, impacting your decisions. A keen eye for these subtle signals and self-worth is needed to navigate the jealous individual. Recognition of their actions and not letting them dim their light is critical. Surround yourself with people who appreciate your successes and support your growth, not those who compare your accomplishments to their shortcomings. Sin will meet the energy drainer next. These people are experts at turning every discussion into a gripe fest. Engaging with them feels like going around in circles of pessimism. They focus on the negative of every financial circumstance, from market downturns to investment losses. Their relentless negativity can drain your vitality and turn even the most hopeful attitude into despair and hopelessness. The energy drainer can consume your mind, leaving little room for pleasant and constructive thinking. Their presence might negatively impact your financial life by making you second-guess your actions and see the financial world with fear and pessimism. Establishing limits is crucial to managing this connection. Limit your interactions and don't let their bad outlook affect your finances. Keep your financial journey powered by educated optimism, not pessimism. Then we meet the control freak. They micromanage every aspect of finance, often intruding on others' rights. They may pose as experts, insisting their approach is best, and persuade others to follow. Deep insecurities or a desire for power may drive their demand for control. Within financial matters, this can stifle your thoughts and methods with their rigorous attitude. Dealing with a control freak is tricky. Their confidence and aggressiveness can be appealing, especially in difficult financial times. You must keep your individuality and critical thinking. Their control can hinder innovation and adaptation essential in the ever-changing financial market. Appreciate their suggestions, but stick to your financial ideals and strategies. While advice is helpful, you must make the final decisions and live with the consequences. As we negotiate financial transactions, we realize that understanding people is as important as market movements and investing methods. We've introduced some intriguing personalities, but we're still going. There are more personalities and layers to reveal. Let's explore the folks who may unexpectedly affect your financial decisions. Brace yourselves as we reveal more interesting finance characters. Lastly, there are the dishonest who lie and deceive. Their financial deceptions might range from subtle to outright fraud. They offer significant returns with little risk, exaggerate their knowledge, and lie about their track record. Working with the dishonest is like building a financial house on quicksand, unstable and risky. Although they promise immediate returns, they often lead to financial catastrophe. Vigilance and effort protect against the dishonest, questioning too good to be true offers and validating credentials and claims. Researching and verifying can help you avoid such tactics in the digital era. If anything sounds too good to be true in finance, it probably is. The dishonest lack transparency and honesty, which build trust. After this enlightening voyage, it's evident that finance is as much about people as numbers. From the gossiper to the cynical skeptic, we've met many people who affect your financial decisions. This exploration identifies various kinds and gives you ways to engage with them. Remember, awareness is your best friend in the complex world of finance. Knowing the personalities you encounter will help you navigate your financial journey with forethought and resilience. Trust, caution, optimism, realism, risk-taking, and prudence must be balanced. We hope this movie has informed and motivated you to rethink your financial ties. As you invest, save, or plan for the future, remember that your relationships might affect your finances. Thank you for following Moneycraft Masters. If this video was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more financial empowerment. Keep up with our latest videos by hitting the notification bell. Continue making wise financial decisions. Till next time.